look, I don't think anything's changed. I produced a huge piece of research in Global Macro Investor this month, my research service, and everything points to the same thing. Liquidity is coming. Now, you can see it in the stock market. The Nasdaq's going up, but crypto's been heavy, and I don't know for what particular reason it's been heavy. I mean, are we going to have to wait until the election? Maybe it's something to do with that. I don't know. For some reason, it's heavier than other assets, but nothing in my work suggests otherwise. On the asset management side, on Exponential Age Asset Management, XPAM, we hear the same thing, and I hear it from everybody I speak to, is people are waiting for price to go up before they come back in. So in this weird world where price is flat, that doesn't bring anybody in. So something has to change. Stock market's going up. Tech stocks are going up. Liquidity's going up. China's starting to print money. The US are cutting rate. I mean, what more do you need? So it's a matter probably of just patience.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now, guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. Banana Zone arrived. After a few months of telling you it was going to happen, it's finally here. The Banana Zone is among us now. Is the time not to lose this up?
And the market likes to exhibit pain. And it's when people get bored or people lose focus or people think, oh, I'm going to go and find something else, is when it all goes off. It always happens this way. And 2020 was like that. Last year was like that. People forget last year was almost identical. In fact, when you overlay the charts of Ethereum now versus Ethereum then, Bitcoin now versus Bitcoin then, last year, it was identical. So it should just continue higher. Now, it's correcting today, but this is short-term noise, but generally it should keep going up. And everything in macro says it should keep going up. So let's see. The scarcity is not the tokens. The scarcity is the attention. There's only a limited amount of attention. There's 500 million active crypto wallets of how many active people in crypto, how many active people in meme coins. So right now, let's say there is 1 million active people in meme coins. 1 million people have to put their attention, and what they tend to do is focus attention with other people's attention. So Murad tweeted about a bunch of tokens, they all go up because everyone's desperate for the banana zone and they want, so attention moves around. So even though there's 10,000, none of those get attention. The real game is capturing the attention. So then if you capture the attention and then the liquidity continues to kick in, I think China's got another press conference coming out shortly, tomorrow or something else, to talk about yet more measures. And we've got everybody else to start cutting rates and injecting liquidity. Well, then the attention focuses, tokens start going up, other people come in, they start chasing meme coins, then people go out the risk curve. Well, if that dog token's going up, then I'm going to buy this dog token. That starts pushing up, and then the game is played. It always plays out the same way. So you're attention is still a bit split, but you're kind of seeing who the winners are going to be in the meme coin cycle. Obviously, there'll be new ones. So the attention is focusing, and now you need just the other catalyst to just push it, and then everything blows.
MicroStrategy founder and Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor has ruled out the chances of Bitcoin retracing to $60,000, a crucial price level for the majority of 2024. I don't think it is going to $60,000. It is not going to $30,000. I think it is going to go up from here, Saylor told CNBC on November 14. Bitcoin is trading around $87,790, according to CoinMarketCap. He said Donald Trump's win very decidedly settled the future of crypto and Bitcoin in the United States, adding, I don't really see any threats on the near-term horizon. I'm planning the $100,000 party, Saylor said. I'm thinking it's probably going to be New Year's Eve at my house, so I would be surprised if we don't go through $100,000 in November or December. Bitcoin's record-breaking rise since the United States elections is expected to continue, and investment manager and fund issuer VanEck is targeting a price of $180,000 for sometime next year. It is just getting started. VanEck's head of digital assets research, Matthew Saylor, told CNBC's Squawk Box on November 14. "We're now in blue sky territory, no technical resistance, and we think we are likely to make repeated all-time highs over the next 2 quarters," he added. Bitcoin has risen about 30% since November 5, leading a wider crypto rally after the pro-crypto Donald Trump was elected president. It's continued to reach new highs, with its current peak set on November 13, hitting almost $93,490 per trading view. Bitcoin's rally has slightly cooled as of November 15, with it trading around $88,100. A 2022 class action lawsuit filed against Elon Musk and Tesla, alleging that the businessman manipulated the price of Dogecoin through media appearances and social media posts, was withdrawn by the plaintiffs on November 14, 2024. According to the legal filing, the plaintiffs have agreed to withdraw their appeal from the Second Circuit Court of Appeals and not seek any post-judgment relief from Musk and the automotive company. Lawyers for the investors also waived their right to appeal the case in any United States court, and both sides have agreed to drop motions to sanction the other side of the lawsuit. The motion to withdraw the class action lawsuit must still be approved by United States District Judge Alvin K. Hellerstein before the 2-year-old litigation officially concludes.
It's a very tough call. My view has always been that rates are probably coming down to 2%, because that's the everything code, that's the trend rate of GDP growth, and you need to kind of bring it down to that. So my view is they'll try and get rates down as much as possible, but the economy is really quite strong. So will they be able to bring it down enough? Well, it doesn't matter. So 2016 rates, the Fed raised rates once in 16 and then just went on hold. They didn't add liquidity. The Chinese added tons, as did, I think, England after Brexit. That was enough to cause the 16-17 mega cycle. So it doesn't require the US and it doesn't require rates, because rates aren't liquidity. Liquidity is a separate thing. Just try and get rid of the noise. So many people mid-curve everything, over-argue everything.
You think crypto goes to 10 to 15 trillion this cycle?
Yeah, I think that's reasonable. And I get that really simply, again, in an idiot's way. I just take the market cap of crypto, put it in a log regression channel, and it gets you there. You do the same with Bitcoin, back it out as maybe a Bitcoin dominance of 50%, 40%. You kind of get there. It's like you look at the wallet growth, you kind of get to those numbers. So it's like, yeah, that makes about sense. You would see Sol outperform, ETH outperform Bitcoin. That's usually what happens. And so I don't know, because I don't want to give price targets, because you get in that stupid game of people then believe the price targets and then it doesn't happen, and then their vision of their future selves, that Porsche they were going to buy is now ruined and it's my fault because it didn't get to the price. It's all nonsense. But you could probably say that Bitcoin triples, quadruples from here. Something like that. And Solana probably 8x's plus, that kind of range, and ETH somewhere in the middle.
The United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission has issued a notice, clearing the way for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund options. Analysts are now speculating the products could be listed imminently. Ball now in OCC's court, and they're into it. So they'll prob list very soon, ETF analyst Eric Balchunas wrote in a November 15 X post. Here, we go, ETF analyst James Seifert added. The CFTC's November 16 statement announced the Division of Clearing and Risk position, that the CFTC does not have any more role regarding the clearing of these options. These ETF options are cleared and settled by the Options Clearing Corporation as the sole issuer of all equity options, it stated. Crypto executives are optimistic it can have a major impact on Bitcoin's price. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Zella. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.